Yo. Um, it is Cafes FX once again. So, nil to me aggressive entry model for those who know how I trade. So, top to down analysis ni bullish, but we can sell for short terms. Exit at 3 or 2 hour. For me, I'm gonna exit at this endorsement over here. So, my entry was a bearish engulfing sweep, like a sweep over here. Let me delete this and for you to see. You see this? It form this bearish engulfing. After that, what did you notice? It is sweep. You see this candle this week. After my sweep, go in for entries, and that is when I pull this move, bro. Like after nimeingia, it is only one time nilikuja kwa break up. So kama ungekuwa usha break even hapa hivi unge miss out on this massive win, bro. Like why do you need to tighten your stop loss to break even? It doesn't make any sense. Over here we have another inducement, as you can see. This candle. Yeah, we have hit TP. I knew TP to hit because of this same strategy over here. So in bullish engulfing candlestick, you got 50% fib. It is a plot from swing low to swing high. Inapatikana at 50% Fibonacci level. So 50% nakwanga basically an inducement for new beginners to think that price is well priced now. I need to buy and shit like that now. This is a trap, bro. SMC trap. When I say this, I usually plot this small zone, wait for my sweep, tap into my zone, then wait for my buys over here, extreme zone. It is well priced. Yeah, and it caused this break of structure. It caused this break of structure over here. So a clean move. After my sweep, mother could buy immediately my sweep out. So initially people bought over here, putting their stop loss below this candle aggressively. So after spreading my sweep, you see this massive move. Like for this movement to happen, it needed fuel below this candle. And it imetosheka na fuel, hata itahitaji imeguza FAG ama imbalance. So after my sweep, tap into my FAG ama mwingine unaweza ita FAG, for me I call it imbalance. Then dominate a lot of buying, bro. Like this buying is so clean that even institution can't deny this buying, bro. Like my strategy works, bro. I don't give a shit about what people are saying, bro. My strategy works. Literally, it works. Like crazily good, it works, bro. My strategy works. This is a real market. This is a real movement. These are real predictions by me. Like you can see this Bitcoin, real movement. This is real market. Backtesting. Like backtesting is over here for website. In backtesting, you can clearly see over here FX replay. But over here, trading view, it's real trades, bro. Over here. Yeah, you can clearly tell the difference. Hapa tuko na inaitwaje watchlist. Lakini huko kwingine hatuna watchlist kwa website. So now hatuna watchlist over here. Like this is the move I caught today. Yet unaona buy side liquidity ushaikuwa greedy na TP tunaweka sijui wapi hati sijui unataka kushika 5R. Stop that nonsense bullshit, motherfucker. Just target a simple buy side liquidity with a simple stop loss. As you can see immediately my take profit hit, and then you can see over here early sellers once again. Like my strategy works a lot. See this candle, this one, inducing sellers to go in for sales. They will put their stops above here. See what price did to them. Boom. Hit their stop loss, then sell off massively. So for me, I'll wait for that to be swept, then go in. And see, I pull this shit. like crazy. 1:2. Compare this na mwenye aliingia over here, putting their stops aggressively over here. Ako out, me I'm in, celebrating my win, bro. Me I'm in over here after that sweep. Even though a very stupid risk to reward. At least 2 risk to reward that is not stupid. Like, come on, bro. That's it for me. That is not only that trade that I got. I have some other pending trades on EU. I'm yet to take this trade. I'm yet to take this one once again. You can see Papa naingia full margin. Again, you can clearly see over here. After this, let me show you. This bullish engulfing sweep buy. After this sweep, it bought this green juicy candlestick. So I've put my pending order over here to push and sweep this one. Over here pia tuko na liquidity. Unaona? Like that's a sweet spot for me to take my TP. Like what we have just did. We have done over here kwa replay. So unaona? This very one. Like I really do my back testing and stuff to have much conviction and confidence kwa trades yangu. So na even though iko goza like nawezaona ka iliguza sijui ni mimi nimeoverefine and stuff like that, but all I know inaweza kuwa imeguza. Let me see. Yeah, iliguza order block barely. There's a very pinpoint entry over here, then bought massively. Either way tumecapitalize na sales, even though it took forever, but our idea was solid. So let's see kama itahit TP. For me, ningecatch zote sales na buys, and there is nothing you can do about it. Again, bearish engulfing over here, enticing sellers. So for me, naanza kuona red flag ya exit position because this can happen after they got stripped. Like my strategy is based on that. Even over here, look at this. After this sweep, sell, sweep, sell, sweep, sell. Like it works, bro. You don't need much noise for you to have a confidence on your trade, bro. See that immediately it's swept. But one downside of that sales is that our sellers watakuwa wana fight overall market direction, which is not ideal. It will buy and buy and buy because overall market direction we are bullish. You can clearly tell we are so bullish. Look at this. We are so fucking bullish, bro. We are so fucking bullish. So we'll continue this bullish momentum until forever. Like it is not that hard to admit, right? Let's see whether we have hit TP or not. Massive win, both sells and buys. Bro, my strategy works. Like nikipata losses kwa market, huwa si blame strategy yangu. I point the finger right onto me, not my strategy. Right back at me. Because I am the problem, not my strategy. I am the problem. Probably over risking, over trading, FOMO, all those emotions. Like why do you need to overtrade? So for me, I'll be satisfied with this take profit, right? But let's see. For your curiosity and stuff, TP may hit. Either way, TP may hit, and there is nothing you can do about it. I am a fucking profitable trader, regardless of what you feel about me or not. Like kuna those like si kila siku tunapata rainbows and sunshine. Kuna kuwa tuna hizo dark side, dark red side, like those dark days, red days. where nothing feels like everything feels dark and tough. Here we can clearly take some good 1:2 short cells Yagi sweep. I want to show you just and prove you for the last time that my trade works, bro. My 1:2 is there. Let me prove for you or to you guys like my strategy works. This is so crazy because I'm fighting overall market direction. The one I'm getting a very 1:2 risk to reward because I don't wanna risk like crazy. This is an evening star for more confidence that TP will hit. Bro, like oh my days. If this one hits TP, I'm gonna cry. Like I'm gonna shout. A shout of excitement. Oh my days. What the fuck? My strategy works, bro. Na unaweza angalia time frames. Inawaki in high time frames. If this trade hits TP, I'm gonna cry my shit. I'm gonna cry, bro. Like this is crazy. This is fucking insane, bro. Yeah, you know why we take this L? Because this is a counter trend trading. Like the people was supposed to be here, bro. No need to overcomplicate this shit, bro. The people was supposed to be there. 1:2, 1:1. You never know. Yeah, bro. Insane. But point is Africa home, my strategy na work. Hapo nimeonyesha nilikuwa na fight overall market direction, which is not ideal. You need to flow with it, not fight it. Like you need to flow with the market. If it is bullish, buy. Bearish, sell. Simple. Look at those big boys, bro. Big boom, boom, boom. Big trades. This is not counted. We can count one loss over here, one win, one win. A 7.5 risk, a 7.5 win, a 5.7 win minus this 1% loss. Insane. Bro, my strategy works. Hapa kuna opportunity for buy. Gonna end. Inducement. Yeah, this is what I like to see. This is exactly what I like to see. Support my line a strategy, like a structure. Alafu tuko na this inducement over here. Like this is what I like to see. This is exactly what I like to see. Like when I see this, I'm so excited to jump in, bro. Like zero hesitation and stuff. Kisweep, I'm in. Nainyosh mpaka juu. Nainyosh mpaka nisikie vizuri. Hata sihitaji ifike kwa hii zone, like nahitaji tu awasweep hivi. Alafu take profit over there. Above. Again, you can see this. You can clearly see this. This is a perfect example for TP. Bearish engulfing candlestick. My strategy works, bro. Let me rush this video so that it may not take forever. If this one sweep, I'm gonna full pot this shit, bro. Stop loss, 56 pips stop loss. Let's see what's gonna happen, bro. You can decide to put your entry over there with a small stop loss and a big win, and just sit down, relax, watch, and enjoy. Enjoy the show, bro. The show begin. When you miss out opportunity, immediately sweep power imeanza kusell. Unaona? Second bearish engulfing na ni hawana. Ina confirm for sales again. Follow the trend. use this structure and you will be profitable. We have missed out on that one. It is so unfortunate. Better days will come. Like at this point, I'm so satisfied with these wins, bro. Like, I don't give me, I'm good. So peace out, guys.